In this video, we'll talk through creating and using saved filters on Edelweiss. Saved filters help you narrow down your searches on the site to find just what you're looking for. And they can also be applied all over Edelweiss, within catalogs or on the DRC's page, and filters can be as broad or as specific as you need. You'll find the Saved Filters area here, in the top navigation bar. To create a new one, you'll select Add New Filter. In the Saved Filter Creation screen, you'll find all sorts of different criteria that you can use to build your filter. The first step is to name the new filter. Next, we can open the drop-down menu to start exploring potential attributes for this filter. Vendor will be any publishing houses and distributors on the site. There is also an imprint filter, however, if you want to get more specific. For this example, we'll start with publication date. And with this, we can create a window. We'll do a month ago to about 3 months out. And you'll see your filter criteria start to populate over here, as well as how many results the site is finding so far. Since I'm just looking for review copies, I'll also choose review copy availability and choose immediate download. I'll open the attributes drop-down back up again and see what else I might want to add to this filter. I'll choose subject and scroll down and select young adult fiction. Once I click that, you'll see that the number of titles fitting all of this criteria will decrease. Before exiting a filter, don't forget to save. And here are my results. These are all the titles on Edelweiss that fit the criteria we just set up. Now let's say that for whatever reason, this isn't quite what I want. To edit the filter, I can just click here and adjust the attributes as needed. Going back into subject, let's look at how to exclude an attribute. If I expand young adult fiction, I can click the minus sign to control what I don't want to see in my search results, in this case, comics and graphic novels. And you'll notice that results number decrease a little more. When you've gone in and edited an existing filter, you don't have to save it again. Just exit out and the results page will refresh. Note that this view of saved filter results is pulling from all of Edelweiss. Let's go back to the home page now, though, to talk about applying a saved filter within a catalog and the other areas of the site where saved filters can come in handy. I'll open this PRH catalog, which contains over 600 titles. Since I really only want to see the ones that fit the filter I created, I'll click on Saved Filters here on the left-hand side, and find my new DRCs filter in the My Saved Filters section. And now the catalog has been narrowed down to 23 titles, all available to download right away and fitting only the genre I want to see. Now, one last tip. You can also apply saved filters to certain widgets on your homepage. So right here in my Digital Review Copies widget, which by default pulls all recently added DRCs on Edelweiss, I can apply that same saved filter to narrow the results here down to only recent young adult fiction DRCs available for immediate download, with graphic novels filtered out. On the topic of widgets, you can also add a Saved Filters widget itself to your homepage, giving you an easy way to see your existing widgets and access them with just a click. Saved filters are powerful. Spend a little time creating them and they'll pay off all across the site.